The first building block is the ICT risk management. This is the fundamental one. And if I can say that in one sentence, is the one. You cannot protect what you don't see. The cornerstone of DORA is effective ICT risk management. This involves having comprehensive visibility into the IT environment, achieved through continuous and automated asset discovery and dependency mapping. By understanding the interdependencies within your IT infrastructure, you can proactively manage risk and ensure resilience. Mayan, imagine a combat field officer who gets a mission to lead into a battle with his platoon without a map, without understanding the enemy outpost. That knowledge is the basic one.
That analogy, Gad, that would definitely be a disaster and help simplify the point. So, Itamar, how can Faddom help these combat officers in the field effectively focus their efforts on protecting what needs protection?
So first of all, I also agree with Gadi. This is a great analogy, and nobody can protect what they can't see. Luckily, in Faddom, we excel in seeing things. Okay, we are considered the like a discovery on steroids platform that will allow our users to map their business applications instantly. No more static documentation. Everything is happening in real time. And the way that we are doing it is very unique because we are not requiring any agents to be installed. We are not scanning the network. We are using network statistic protocols. So every asset, every data source, whether it's an on-prem or cloud that we detect, is being done in a non-intrusive way, which is very, very unique and secure way, and can even be deployed offline. So as Gadi mentioned, visibility is crucial for DORA and being compliant with DORA. So if I'll show you briefly, just so you can get a glimpse of what we can discover. If I go here in Faddom, we can see all the different data sources that we are able to map, whether it's an on-prem, VMware, Hyper-V, Nutanix, or even in the cloud. All the major cloud providers can be detected in Faddom. The unique aspect here is that we're not only detecting the servers and all of your environment, we are also able to detect the network topology, all the physical devices such as switches and routers, and also software installed on each server. This is very, very important so we can discover everything right away in Faddom. Once we detected and we discovered all of your assets within the organization, we can practically search for anything within the platform. As you can see here, I have many options to search for, whether it's servers, IP groups, subnets, application maps that we build for you, or even users within the organization. But for our example, let's just do a search for a VLAN, okay? Here I search for a VLAN, and I can see all the interdependencies between every server within this VLAN. I can see the status of each connection that is representing. For example, green, it's an active connection. As I mentioned, it's everything. The visibility is in real time, and it's crucial for DORA as well. But I can also take a high-in-the-sky view even before I'll show you the core functionalities of business applications with Faddom. We can show you all of your subnets within the network. If I go to the subnet dependencies, we have the subnet groups, and I can drill down to each of it. I can see the different VLANs. I can see other groups, and I can drill down to see the actual components, the servers of each VLAN. This is crucial. The first stage to be compliant with DORA is visibility and to discover everything in your environment.
If you're interested in learning more about DORA's requirements or about how Faddom can help you ensure that your organization is fully covered, feel free to contact us at faddom.com. That's www.faddom.com. And just the last quick reminder, whoever comes from this video and mentions it can also receive a free trial and a compliance readiness assessment session with one of our pros. Thank you for listening, and we'll see you in the next video.
Get started now with self-service. No credit card or sales call is needed.